Hey, well, hello, Carb Dodgers. Welcome back to the kitchen. Today, I don't know if you can see out the window, it's been horrible, blowing a gale, raining all day. So a bit of comfort foods in order. So what I'm going to do is a Philly cheese casserole. So to make that, we need a chopped onion, some mushrooms, some bell pepper or capsicum chopped, kilo of ground beef or mince if you're in Australia or UK. Doesn't really matter what type. And then to spice it up, I will also need about 120 grams of cream cheese. So Philadelphia is good, whatever cream cheese you like. Spice wise, we've got some garlic powder, about half a teaspoon of black pepper, half a teaspoon of salt, some Italian herbs, about a teaspoon, and a teaspoon of smoky paprika. And then over on side, we've got a baking dish and some cheese to top it, and also probably a cup of beef stock. The first stage is to saute everything, get the mince a little bit brown. What we're going to do is cook everything through first, then transfer it to a baking dish, and then top that with cheese and then pop it in the oven for, I don't know, 15-20 minutes just to brown the cheese off. So let's get into it. So I'll add a little bit of olive oil just to lube things along. Okay, at this point we can take all of our seasonings and flavorings. And add those there. And for a few extra LCHF points, let's get some butter in there, why not? Yeah, she's smelling pretty good. Okay, so that mince is kind of getting there. So what makes this a Philly cheese casserole, or Philly cheesesteak casserole, is of course the Philly cheese. So we'll get that in there. This just makes it nice and creamy and unctuous and comforting and all the good stuff. Okay, and what we're looking to do is just basically dissolve that Philly into the mince. See, we're changing colour now, which is what we're after. You can see here there's quite a bit of liquid, so I'll go easy on the stock. I don't want to make it floating, but I've got quite a strong beef stock mix. Just add that in. So we've got a nice cheesy beefy sauce. I think that'll do it. I don't want to overdo the moisture. So I'll give that a little taste. Yeah, all those spices and herbs are coming through really nicely. Yeah, it doesn't need salt, doesn't need pepper. So I think we're good to go. So what I will do now is clean my board. Grab my baking dish and bosh it in there. Spill it all over the bench. We'll grab our cheese. So I've got a pizza blend here. So it's shredded cheddar and mozzarella and some other good stuff. I'll just give that, you don't need too much, otherwise you'll get a big wedge of cheese on the top, which you don't really need. So we go, the most comforting of comfort foods. So that will go into an oven, about 180 centigrade, 320, 350 maybe Fahrenheit, just to melt the cheese, and then we'll be good to go. So there we go, Philly cheesesteak casserole, all good to go. I'll probably do some, I don't know, cabbage and bacon to go with it. There you go, nice and moist and tasty and beautiful. So I hope you give it a go. It's yeah, well worth the effort. My name's been Alan. You can find me at carbsurvivor.com. Got lots of recipes on the recipe channel on YouTube and some kind of motivation and pep talks in my motivation and mindset playlist that you're most welcome to go check it out. It's free to subscribe, doesn't cost you a penny, and you'll keep up to date with all the shenanigans going on here at the farm. Thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.